Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Pydantic AI and LangGraph, and I will help you to decide which one is better in 2025. So let's begin with Pydantic AI. It is built on the Pydantic data validation framework and focuses on structured agent design using typed schemas. Its key strength lies in predictable workflows and error handling using Python types. And now, let's talk about LangGraph. This tool extends LangChain with graph-based agent composition. It enables dynamic branching, memory persistence, and better orchestration for complex AI apps like chatbots, retrieval, augmented generation, and autonomous workflows. So let's compare both of them. Number one, their architecture and design philosophy. Pydantic AI promotes typed safety and data validation, which is perfect for developers who prioritize stability and debugging clarity, while LangGraph allows flexible node-based flow. Using asynchronous agents with state tracking is ideal for dynamic workflows. Number two, ease of use. Pydantic AI has a clean syntax, especially if you are familiar with Python. It's easy to plug in APIs or tools within a structured schema, while LangGraph has more abstractions layers. You need to understand event-driven logic and LangChain to unlock its full potential. Number three, their community and ecosystem. LangGraph builds on the rapidly growing LangChain ecosystem and is supported by LangChain Incorporated, while Pydantic AI is newer and is still developing its own user community and toolkits. Number 4, ideal use case. Pydantic AI is better for developers creating API integrated tools, validation heavy AI interfaces, or multi agent coordination, while LangGraph is better for RAG systems, autonomous agents, and advanced LLM orchestration with conditionals and memory handling. So, for final verdict, if you want a structured, Pythonic approach to AI development, you can go for Pydantic AI. But if you want flexible flow control for generative applications, LangGraph is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.